These are some of my Opinel knives. So we'll start out with this one, which is the number 9. And this one is probably the most practical. As you can see, they lock when they're closed and when they're opened. We'll open this one up. And this one is the 9, which is their standard design. And this one is in a carbon metal. It's a carbon steel blade. And real handy. It's a good size. And when we flip it back and close it, we can also lock it in the closed position. This one is a couple of sizes up. It's the number 12. The numbers are written here on the collar. Again, we can lock it closed. When we open this one up, you can see that this one is probably comparable to a bushcraft knife or just a standard K-bar or Mora style in size. So much larger handle, plenty to hold on to even with gloves. Nice size blade and good locking setup, so sturdy as well. This one is the stainless. Oh no, this one's also carbon. Sorry, it says carbon on there. So then when we close this one, we can also lock it. Leave this one open for now to show the scale of the 12. And next we'll move up to the 13. And we'll open up this 9 again just for scale. The 13 is their largest. And this one isn't just a novelty. It is pretty neat that it's so large. But this one is really designed for working over a campfire or a barbecue where you'd like to keep your hand pretty far away from the cutting edge. So if you're cutting meat or vegetables and you want to keep your hand well away from it, this 13 really does the trick. Nice thick blade. It's got an extra kind of nice cut to it. And it's a standard stainless inox blade steel with their locking feature. Really neat. This large one is one of my favorite knives in the collection and certainly one of my favorite of the Opinels. Hope this helps.